Now let's start assembling. Take out the glue gun sticks. Also, take out the 2 eyes and this piece of black yarn. Find the center position. First, determine the eye placement. Approximately counting down from here, it's round the 5th row. First, cut the glue stick tip at an angle like this. After determining the position, take out the black yarn. The mouth is done like this. Pass through from the center. Come out over here. Then locate the spot below the eyes in the next row down. Align it parallel with this eye. Leave a small yarn tail at the back, to the spot below this eye. Then another one like this. Then find the opposite diagonal corner. Insert the needle up. Then return to the same stitches as before. Then find this opposite diagonal corner. This is the dinosaur's mouth. Deal with the yarn tails at the back. Weave the yarn through the center like hiding ends. Picking up the post stitches. Keep weaving like this. Weave it over to this position. Be careful on the front side, not to let that long yarn tail show. Then, tie a knot with the starting yarn tail. After tying the knot, leave a small tail. Use our glue gun to dab. A little glue here to secure these yarn tails. Apply a little glue. Take out the 2 arms. Attach them to a position you like. Also using this glue stick. Just glue the top section directly. You don't need a lot of glue. The tail is attached the same way as the horns. On this side position. Pinch this side flat. Then attach them in order like this, also using the glue stick to attach. First, find the right position. The little dinosaur bag is now complete.